See what we do. Go to Chrome, search for white background, search for white background, then you select the one you want to use as your thumbnail. Let me use this one will be okay. Then you download it. Once you download the image, you head over your CapCut. The video is downloaded. Then go to your CapCut, press new project, which is this one. Then see the background we downloaded from Chrome. You upload the background. Then you are going to select the picture. Look down here, you will see overlay. Press on that overlay. Press add overlay. Then select the picture you want to use for your thumbnail. Select the picture you want to use for your thumbnail. Select the picture you want to use for your thumbnail. Select the picture you want to use. Then let me use this one. Then press add. You see it. Position the picture the way you want. It to be. Position the way you want it to be. Then click. You will see remove BG, which is this one. Remove BG. Press on that remove BG. Then auto remover. You remove the background of that image you uploaded. You see it. I have removed the background. Then you are going to add your text. You are going to add your text. Free thumbnail. I'm changing the color of the text. You are going to set it to your own text. You are going to design it to your own text, to your own way you want. So I'm creating it the way I want my own to be. You are going to design it the way you want it to be. Then how to create attractive thumbnail. You are going to set it properly the way you want it to be. You are going to set it the way you want it to be. Attractive thumbnail for your YouTube video. This is the easiest way to create a thumbnail. You see it. You see how it looks. It looks so amazing. So see what we do. You are going to press screenshot. You are going to screenshot this now. Just screenshot it. You see it. Then go to your gallery. Once you go to your gallery, you will see the image. Then you are going to scrub. You see, scrub it. Move. You will see. You know that YouTube thumbnail is 16:9. So press on that 16:9, which is this one. Then you scroll, position it the way you want. You see it. Then press good. Our thumbnail is here. Press save. You see it. It looks so amazing. You see our thumbnail. So you are going to upload it on YouTube. That is the easiest way to create a thumbnail. This is the easiest way to create a thumbnail. So guys, don't forget to subscribe and share this video to your friends. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Thank you all.